Well, I have extruded our model a bit, now it's a bit higher. Sometimes such level of elaboration is enough to discuss concept in the context of building. Revit is able to generate architectural elements by phases of mass. It allows fast enough to create complicated structures without spending time on separate elements. The first thing we're going to create is a floor. Now let's duplicate levels, go to elevation, pick level. We can use this option array. Let's say 20, and now we have 21, so it's enough. Then go to 3D, select our model and say mass floors. So here in the window we have to check all corresponding levels. Okay, so and here we can see that elements have been changed. You can check data's floor area, perimeter, and so on. And the important thing that if you change model, for example, edit and move some edge or corner, so for example like this, after you finish mass, floors are recounted properly. So aside from mass and floors, there is option to create basic components like roofs, walls, the system of grid, the mullions, the floors with a pointed thickness. Now let's proceed to maintenance side and start from creating wall. Open this command wall. Here in the properties we can find needed thickness, needed wall, location line, let's say finish face interior, and pick our faces alternately. So it works properly. Okay, now let's try to make glazing on the tower. Again, maintenance side and curtain system. So pick the walls alternately. So if the face is not being selected properly, use tab. Okay, and this option create system. It may take some time. In the properties, you can in the edit type you can check the absence of mullions. Now we need just the grid. So after the grid is created, here in the filter we can check that more than 1,500 panels have been created. Okay, well, and similarly we can create floors. Let's go to command floors, select elements and create floors. So we can see that now we have elements which can be managed in the properties. Okay, so the last step is making a roof. Open the command and again pick faces alternately to create roof. So it's done. Well, so thereby we are able to create structures and work with mass in the system of Revit and develop them inside. This is the first option, how we can visualize ID in Revit and present it to people.